Welcome to Sharadri More English School online lecture. Good evening, student. Today I have started the practice set 2.1 and we have completed the question number 1 fully. Question number 2. In that we have completed the first 4 questions. Now we have to begin the question number 5. So now question number 5 is P into 3 plus 6P is equals to minus 5. So now 3 and plus 6 is given. 3 plus 6p is written in the bracket. So first we will multiply and open the bracket. Then we will arrange the terms and then we will write down the value of a, b and c. So let's see how to find out the value of a, b, c here. The fifth question. The question number 5. P 3 plus 6p is equals to minus 5. So this is your question. Now its solution. P 3 plus 6p is equals to minus 5. So therefore p into 3 is equals to 3p and 6 into p is equals to 6p square is equals to minus 5. Okay, now first write down the highest power term. The highest power term is 6p square plus 3p, and now bring this minus 5 on the left hand side. इसको कहाँ पे लाना है अपने को? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So this will become plus 5. This is equals to 0. This is equals to 0. Now compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So comparing the given equation comparing the given equation with now variable used here is p. So we will write a p square plus b p plus c is equals to 0. क्या हमने मेंशन किया है here? AP square plus BP plus C is equals to 0 because the variable used in this equation is P. So at place of the X we will write down the P variable. So therefore A is equals to 6, B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 5. So here the answer A is equals to 6, comma B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 5. Now we have to see the last question. The last question of the question number 3 is x square minus 9 is equals to 13. क्या last question? X square minus 9 is equals to 19. Khan Abdul Rahim. The question is x square minus 9 is equals to 13. Now write down the solution. x square minus 9. Now bring this 13 on the left hand side, so this will become minus 13 is equals to 0. So therefore x square minus 13 minus 9 is equals to minus 22 is equals to 0. Now see the middle term is missing here. So whenever the middle term is missing, we have to write down the variable, and but before that variable we have to write down the 0, because when the coefficient of any variable is 0, then that term becomes 0, and that's why in the original equation that terms misses, तो वो क्या हो जाता है, मिस हो जाता है. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या मिला हम लोगों को, हियर वी गॉट ओनली एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 22, बट द वेरिएबल एक्स दैट हैव द पावर 1 इज मिसिंग हियर. तो व्हाट आई हैव रिटन 0x लिख दिया, माइनस 22 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ कंपेयर दिस इक्वेशन विथ स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, and c is equals to minus 22 full stop. It's clear now. Now write down the answer. A is equals to 1 because here there is no number before the x square, and if there is no number before the any term, so the coefficient of that term is always 1. So that's why the a is equals to 1, and b is equals to 0, and c is equals to minus 22. Now question number 4. Question number 4. What is the question? Determine whether the given value against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of equation. What is given over here? Determine whether. Determine करना है कि the values given against each of the quadratic equation are roots of the equation. जो value इस equation के सामने लिखा हुआ है, ओके उसके अगेंस्ट लिखा है, उसके अपोजिट साइड में मेंशन है that numbers are the roots of the equation or not. So what is meant by the root? The value of the variable which satisfies the equation or which makes the left hand side and right hand side equal, that number, that value called the root of the given quadratic equation. Now here the quadratic equation is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. When we substitute x is equals to 1, if the left hand side also becomes 0 because right hand side is 0, then 1 will be root of this given equation. And if we substitute x is equals to minus 1 in the left hand side of the equation, and this also become equals to 0, then minus 1 will be the root of the given quadratic equation. And if it is not, then that will not be the root of the quadratic equation. So here what we have to do exactly, we have to take the left hand side of the equation and we have to substitute x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1, 1 by 1. एक एक करके क्या करेंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, and then we will check it. Because what is the question? Determine whether the given value against each of quadratic equation is root or not its root. So now let's begin the solution of the first question. Now question number 1, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to 4, and the value that you have to substitute in x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1. Now see the solution. Substituting x is equals to 1 in left hand side of the equation. कहाँ पे इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, बिकॉज राइट साइड इज 0. इसका जो राइट साइड है वो 0 है. तो देयरफॉर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज व्हाट? x square plus 4x minus 5. So now at place of the x we will write the 1 square of 1 plus 4 into x. Now see, in between the 4 and x there is a multiplication sign. So 4 into x, x value is equals to 1 minus 5. Now square of 1, square of 1 is 1 plus 4 1 ja 4 minus 5. So this is equals to 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. First we will add, then we will subtract. We have to follow the BODMAS rule. हम लोगों को क्या फॉलो करना रहता है while solving the brackets? BODMAS rule. So now see, 1 plus 4. So first addition will be done, and after that we will do the subtraction. So 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. It's clear now, student? Now see the left hand side value, it is 0, and the right hand side value of the given equation is also 0. So here the left hand side become equals to right hand side when we substituted x is equals to 1. So therefore 1 is root of given quadratic equation, because here the equation is satisfied by the 1. So 1 is root of given quadratic equation. Full stop. Now we have substituted the value 1. Now we have to substitute the minus 1 also in the same equation. Now its second part, substituting x is equals to minus 1 in left hand side of equation. Substituting x is equals to minus 1 in the left hand side of the equation. So now left hand side is equals to x square. क्या left hand side? X square plus 4x minus 5. Now at place of the x write down the minus 1. So minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Now square of minus 1. Square of minus 1 is 1. Because you know that the square of the positive number as well as the square of the negative number is always positive. दोनों positive होता है square. अगर negative number है then और positive number है then also. The square of minus 1 is 1, and 4 into minus 1 will become the minus 4. Minus 4. 4 1 ja 4. But one number is negative, so that's why here you will get the minus 4 and here minus 5. Now see 1. Now here minus 4 minus 5 will become minus 9, because here the same sign is there before the 4 and before the 5. दोनों के पहले क्या है? नेगेटिव साइन है, तो दोनों की साइन सेम है. Then we will add the numbers. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, and here negative sign will come. Now 1 having the positive sign and minus 9 having the negative sign. So one number is positive and one is negative. So here we will subtract it. 9 minus 1 is equals to 8, and greater number is 9. Before that there is a negative sign, so this is minus 8. Now see, the right hand side and left hand side are not equal here, because right hand side is 0, but here we got the left hand side is equals to minus 8. So left hand side not equals to right hand side. Now see, I have crossed it. पहले क्या लिखा था? इक्वल की साइन लिखा था. क्या लिखा था? इक्वल की साइन. बट नाउ आई हैव क्रॉस इट. अभी हमने क्या किया? इसको क्रॉस कर दिया, बिकॉज बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल. Okay, left hand side not equals to right hand side. So therefore minus 1 is not root of given So minus 1 is not root of the given quadratic equation. Minus 1 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Understood, student? Write down the answer. 1 is root of given quadratic equation, and minus 1 is not root of given equation. Full stop. Okay, now see the next question. Second one, 2m square minus 5m is equals to 0, comma m is equals to 2, comma 5 upon 2. Okay, m is equals to 2 and 5 upon 2. Two values are. Okay, now we have to substitute the value of m as 2 and value of m is equal to 5 upon 2. Now see the solution of it. The solution equals to 10. Substituting m is equals to 2 in left hand side of equation. Substituting m is equals to 2 in the left hand side of equation. So therefore left hand side is equals to 2m square minus 5m. This is equals to 2. Now in place of the m, the 2 will be substituted, minus 5 into 2. So 2 into square of 2 is 4 and 5 2 is 10. क्या है यहाँ पे देखो, square of 2 is 4, so 2 into 4 and 5 2 is 10. So 8 minus 10. So this is equals to minus 2. It's clear now. So here the left hand side not equals to right hand side, because right hand side is equals to 0 here. Left hand side not equals to, now here see I am crossing the equal sign, so not equals to right hand side. So therefore 2 is not 2 is not root of given quadratic equation. It's clear now. Now see the next value that we have to substitute here. Substituting m is equals to 5 upon 2 in left hand side of इक्वेशन. इक्वेशन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, m अपॉन 2. ओके, तो देयरफॉर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल्स टू 2m स्क्वायर माइनस 5m. This is equals to 2 into, now in place of the m what will be written, 5 upon 2. it is square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. Okay, now see, 2 into square of 5 is 25 and square of 4 is 2 is 4 minus 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 25 upon 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now you see this 2 and 4 get cancelled by the 2, so 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, so here we got 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. Now see the denominator, denominators are equal, दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, इक्वल है, दो जगह और ऐसे नहीं वो तो सब सिर्फ आप इनका रिजल्ट वो बोलो सबसे मिलना तो now 25 minus 25, 25 minus 25 is equals to 0, 0 upon 2 is equals to 0. Now the left hand side is equals to right hand side, दोनों साइड क्या है, इक्वल्स टू क्या है, 0 है, दोनों साइड क्या है, 0 है, क्लियर हो गया, लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड 0 है, तो देयरफॉर 5 upon 2 is root of given quadratic equation. 5 upon 2 is root of given quadratic equation. It's clear now student. Now question number 5. Question number 5 देखना हम लोगों को. Question number 5. Find k if x is equals to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now what is given over here? Find the k. If the x is equals to 3 is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now see the k is the coefficient of the x square, जो first term है उसका ये क्या है, ये जो x square उसका क्या है, ये coefficient है, x square का क्या है, ये coefficient. So we have to find out the k value, k की value find out करनी है, kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 है. Okay, now here it is given that x is equals to 3 is one of the root. Now here we have seen that which number is its root or which is not root. Like, so let's substitute here the value of x is equals to 3 in the given equation. Solution. Okay, x is equals to 3 is a root of given equation. It is given in the question. X is equals to 3 is a root of given quadratic equation. So therefore substitute x is equals to 3 in given equation. अगर वो रूट है तो उसको क्या करेंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, देन इट विल सेटिस्फाई द गिवन इक्वेशन. उसका रूट है तो क्या होगा, दैट विल सेटिस्फाई द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. X is equals to 3 is root of given quadratic, therefore substitute x is equals to 3 in the given equation. So now k at place of the x what will be written, 3 square of 3 minus 10 into x, at place of the x what will be written, 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Now square of 3 is 9, 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore 9 into k is equals to 9k and plus minus minus 30 minus 3 is equals to 27 is equals to 0. So therefore 9k is equals to, now bring this 27 on the right hand side, so this will become plus 27. So therefore k is equals to 27 upon 9. So therefore k is equals to 9 1 9, 9 3 27. So k value is equals to 3. 9 1 9, 9 7 9, 9 3 27. So the k value is equals to 3. k की वैल्यू कितनी है, 3 है. It's clear now? समझ में आ गया स्टूडेंट? Now this is the word question, so you have to write down the its Answer. The value of k is 3. Full stop. Now second question number 6. अभी जो सिक्स क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या है, सिक्स है. Now see the question number 6. One of the root of the equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equals to 0 is minus 5 upon 5. क्या पूछना पड़ेगा. सर ने कल मना किए थे, वो देखे थे ना टॉपिक का, तो सर ने उनको मना किया. Okay, now see the one of the root of the equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equals to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Now let's see the solution. This is the activity. So dash is the root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equals to 0. Now put m is equals to in the equation. Okay. ये आपको क्या करना है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. So now see the solution. Sixth one. Now I am writing the solution of it. What do you have to write in box? Box में क्या लिखना है? Is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equals to 0. Here what you have to write, minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation. It's clear now. So therefore this value will be substituted in the equation. So put, or you can write down substitute, दोनों में से एक कोई भी वर्ड लिखेंगे. m इज इक्वल्स टू डैश बॉक्स, बॉक्स में क्या लिखना है, -7/5 इन द इक्वेशन, in the equation. The 5 into m, at place of the m what will come, -7/5 its square plus 2 into, because 2m is there, so at place of the m we have to write -7/5. क्या लिखेंगे, 7/5 plus k is equals to 0. Now the next step will be, next step क्या होगा, इसको नेक्स्ट स्टेप यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, कहाँ पे, इस एक्टिविटी में. तो देयर आर द टू बॉक्सेस, यहाँ पे क्या दे दिया है, टू बॉक्सेस प्लस k इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. यहाँ पे हम लोगों को क्या करना है, सॉल्व कर लेना है रफ पार्ट में. 5 इंटू, नाउ स्क्वायर ऑफ, इसको रफ में करना है, ओके, बिकॉज ये फॉर दिस स्टेप द बॉक्सेस आर नॉट गिवन. इस एक्टिविटी में जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है उसके लिए नहीं दिया, नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट के लिए दिया है. तो 5 इंटू -7/5, स्क्वायर ऑफ -7/5 इज इक्वल्स टू, स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 इज 49 and square of 5 is 25. And second, 2 into, now there is minus and plus, so there will be minus sign, okay, in between there is a, suppose positive sign is there. So now when you multiply 2 7 या 14, 14/5 क्या मिलेगा आपको, 14/5 मिलेगा, because 2 7 या 14 and in denominator there is 5. So this is the -14/5. Now see this here,